we make a difference. At least what we think. Our goal is to arrest as many as possible and to save as many lives as possible.
Main purpose of Swedish Police is the public safety, saving life, fighting against crime.
The Swedish Police Air Support unit performs 4,500 missions a year and approximately 5,800 flight hours.
It's a very convenient tool for search over great areas. We do a lot of searching for missing peoples, meaning that we save a lot of lives. We search a lot for criminals trying to flee from our ground units.
We started as a police unit in 1964 when the Soviet Prime Minister was on a state visit to Stockholm. Then the police decided that they needed a helicopter to do this mission. So the mission started with a Bell 47 at that time. We have 9 aircraft and it's only Bell 49s on 5 bases around Sweden, actually from north to south.
It's a good multi-mission helicopter. The Bell 49, it has to be rebuilt for the different missions. Some of those are quite easy. Removing and changing role equipment is actually possible to do for the crew itself. The helicopter is a stable platform in both low and high speeds. It's the stability. You have to have the ability to hover slightly out ground effect with a high payload. When you have passengers, they feel safe. That's important.
We can do a lot of things that they can't on ground, and we can do some things faster than they can. But usually it saves a lot of man-hour, really. For instance, when we're searching for a missing person somewhere, we save a lot of time for the guys on the ground because it's easier for us to find them and faster.
The speed is important. Those helicopters we have had during my career is the fastest one. And since we have huge distances, during night time we sometimes get calls to fly all over the country in Sweden. It's a long country, and at those times when we have very far distances, the speed is of course important. The speed is also important if you consider that most of the missions we carry out in very low speed, because there are surveillance, we have to keep some incident in the cameras. The most favorite thing in this aircraft is the smooth ride. And that is important because some of our missions we fly many hours, 6, 7, maybe 8 hours. And the smooth ride is important so the crew won't get too tired. The smoothness is important for the comfort of the crew, passengers especially. The readiness is great. It's easy to get started and fly away. Right now outside Stockholm, and we are in the air on the crime scene in just a couple of minutes. There is a great variety of what we have to do, and we've chosen one helicopter type.
The Bell 49.